Don't be all shy. Okay, who's his name? He's got to focus.
His name is Doovid.
Doovid?
Yeah?
Doovid. Okay.
Doovid.
His name's Doovid because he's a doer?
Yeah, and we're going to do
gotta say he's a doer.
limbo.
Oh, Doovid's going to do the limo.
Okay, you are going to...
Oh, look, it's David. David's watching Doovid. Or Doovid.
His name is Vid.
Druid.
His name is Vid.
No, his name is David.
Everybody calls him that.
Everyone knows from him being strapped in that his name is David. And this is Doovid. So, Doovid, get to the limbo.
Okay, you're gonna... Please, can you move him?
Oh, okay. Doovid, there you go. Oh, well done, Doovid.
Wait, go. Okay, now lower.
Lower. I don't know if Doovid can go any lower. Oh. Ah.
Wait, go down.
All right, go as low as you
It's
can go.
gonna go
Doovid.
faster.
Doovid, go as low as you can go. Ready? Here it comes. Here it comes. Ah. Ooh. Ooh.
You might want to...
Good job, Doovid.
Oh my God.